Hello guys, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can hunt for 10 candles whenever you take any trades on boom and crash index. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can get it done to catch your 10 candles, and I'm going to show you guys settings for the strategy. Okay, so just stick around and make sure you watch this video to the end. And if you are a trader or you want to start forex trading, uh, you have to choose the best broker, and I'm going to give you guys the best broker you can use, and this broker is going to give you $30 no deposit bonus. So the link is going to be in the description down below, so you can check it, sign up with the broker, and then you can have the opportunity to win their $30 no deposit bonus. Okay, so with that being said, let's proceed with the strategy. So first thing we are going to be doing is to show you guys the settings. Okay, so let me show you guys settings. So what you have to do, just to click on this icon you are seeing right here. So when you click on it, the first indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the moving average. Now how do we add this moving average up? You click on this F icon right here, we search for moving average, and this is the parameters. Now the period is 35, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply it close, and for the style use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is the first indicator. Now the second indicator is going to be the moving average as well. Just click on this F icon again, and so the second moving average, the period is 5, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and for the style use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is the second indicator. Now moving on to the next indicator, which is also going to be the moving average. And if we add this up again, we click on this F icon again, we search for moving average, and this is the parameters. Now the last moving average, the period is 2, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and for the style use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is the indicator we need on our main chart. Now for the indicator window 1, we only need the awesome oscillator, and how do we add it up? We click on this F icon right here, we search for awesome oscillator, and just have to set it as default. That is the settings we need for the strategy. Now how do you now hunt for your 30 candles, for your 10 candles, sorry. How do you use for your 10 candles? Depends on how you see trades. Okay, so here if you are trading with this strategy, these are the things that you need to consider before you take any trade with this strategy. So now let's say we want to take a trade right here. So for you not to be stuck in a fake entries means that for you not to enter for a trade and spike catch you, you have to make sure that you follow me and make sure you listen very good. Now here if you're trading with the strategy, now this is how you identify if a setup is fake or not. First, if you're taking a trade, you will want to see that this awesome selector volume has to be below if you want to take a sell trade. Now this is what I mean by this. Let me show you guys the real trade right here. Now this is a trade right here that went well. Now look at what you are seeing in this trade. Now firstly, if you want to take a trade with this strategy and know that this setup is valid, you want to see that the awesome oscillator change in volume, which means that it has to change from this green right here to red. When this one change from green to red, when the awesome oscillator change from green to red, then you want to see the awesome oscillator moving in the oversold direction, which means that it has to move below right here. You have to start moving downwards. Now it has to come from this up right there to the downwards. After it starts reading the downwards momentum with this line right here, but this line right here, it has to start moving downwards. This is where it starts moving downwards with this volume right here. So you have to start moving downwards. After it starts moving downwards, then this signifies that the setup is valid, and this is where we are going to be looking for a trade. Now the next thing you want to see, and what makes the setup valid, is you want to see that both the moving average line, the red and the blue line, has to cross below the purple line, which is very important. You have to cross below it, and as well as the price moving below it, which is this candle right here. When it start moving below it with this candle right here, then our entry should always be when we now see that the awesome oscillator starts changing in volume to the downwards. Okay, so that is when we are now decided to enter your trade. Now let's say you see this setup right here and you want to take your trade. You have already confirmed your interest on the indicator window 1 by seeing all this. Then the next thing you do is to wait for the oscillator to first read this downwards volume. The second one, after continue the second one, then you enter right at this third one right here. So you enter at the third one, that should be your entry. Now look at all the remaining trees right here that eventually spike. You will see that the volume does not change. You can see even though it changed from green, sorry, to red, but it does not start moving below. Okay, so with this, the setup is not valid. You have to make sure that you keep that in mind, because if the setup is not valid and you take your trade, there's 70% of the time that the trade is going to spike against you. So that is how we take trades using this strategy. Now look at this trade right here. Look at this trade right here. You can see that it does not, the oscillator does not move below. It does not move below. So that is not a trade for us. You have to see it moving below, okay, which is very, very important. That moving below, and we take our entry with that. So that's how we take a trade with this strategy. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, let me show you guys another trade before I call this a trade. So let's go to crash indices. Sure, I'm going to show you guys a trade here on crash. So we are still looking for same thing right here. This is what we are looking for. Now all this one right here, you don't have to jump into any trades unless you see a confirmation that you should enter for a trade. Now this is a trade right here, but I want to use a clean trade as an example so you guys can know how the strategy is very, very effective. Now this is a trade right here. Now looking at this trade right here, first thing you want to see is the volume has to change from red to green. After its volume change, then the next thing you do is to wait for the candle, is to wait for the candle to close above the purple moving average. We are dealing with the purple moving average. A candle must close above it, and this two line right here, the remaining two moving average has crossed above the purple line as well. So after we confirm this, then we look into our indicator window 1, and we want to see that the volume starts counting upward. Okay, start counting upward with this line right here. Start counting upward. After this one close and the oscillator open this third one right here, that is where our entry is going to be. Okay, and we catch your 10 candles and close our position. So that's how we take a trade using this strategy. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and turn your posting strategy. You guys can be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.